In part 3, let's understand how to convert the following from the direct to the indirect narration. For example, number 1, the judge will say to you, "You are innocent of that crime." Now, let's see the steps required to change this one into the indirect narration. First of all, will say to is changed to will tell. In the second step, add the same word that in place of comma, as there is a statement after it. At last, we change the pronouns of the reported speech or the second part of the indirect narration. But here, this is not required, as the listener present in both the first and the second part of the direct narration is the same. The rest of the changes are the same as before. Hence, the indirect narration of this is the judge will tell you that you are innocent of that crime. Number 2. All men declare he has never been defeated. In this case, no change is required in the pronoun he, as it belongs to the third person. Only the word that needs to be added in place of comma. Hence, the indirect narration of this is all men declare that he has never been defeated. Number 3. He has told them, I did not commit this crime. Since we change the pronouns of the reported speech, the pronoun I, which stands for the speaker, changes to he as per the speaker, that is he, present in the first part of the direct narration. All other changes are the same. Hence, the indirect narration of this is he has told them that he did not commit this crime. Number 4. He is still declaring, you are the man who did it. Here, the pronoun you, which stands for the listener, changes to I, as the listener becomes the speaker and begins to report the speech. The remaining changes are the same as before. Hence, the indirect narration of this is he is still declaring that I am the man who did it. Number 5. He has been saying all day, I am tired of work. As we know that pronouns of the first and the second persons are changed to third person, the pronoun I, which stands for the speaker, is changed to he, as the speaker present in the first part of the direct narration is he. Hence, the indirect narration of this is he has been saying all day that he is tired of work. Number 6. I shall always affirm he and not I is the guilty man. As we know that third person pronouns are not changed, the third person pronoun he present in the reported speech remains the same in the indirect narration. Also, the pronoun I, which stands for the speaker, remains the same as the speaker present in both the first and the second part of the direct narration is the same. The remaining changes are the same as before. Hence, the indirect narration of this is I shall always affirm that he and not I is the guilty man. Number 7. He says every day, this climate will not suit my health. Here, the positive adjective my, which refers to the speaker, is changed to his. The positive adjective used for he, as the speaker present in the first part of the direct narration is he. The rest of the changes are the same as before. Hence, the indirect narration of this is he says every day that this climate will not suit his health. Number 8. I shall tell him plainly, you cannot come here again. In this case, the pronoun you, which stands for the listener, is changed to he, the subjective form of the pronoun him, as the listener present in the first part of the direct narration is him, and like the previous ones, add the word that in place of comma, as there is a statement after it. Hence, the indirect narration of this is I shall tell him plainly that he cannot come here again.